Hi, I'd like to talk about our PhD program in accounting at the Rotman School of Management. We, in the last few years, have built one of the top departments across basically the world. In the last few years, our students have placed at institutions such as NYU, Berkeley, London Business School, Minnesota, and MIT, all among the top departments, across the world. We've done this because we have an incredibly strong faculty with varied research interests, and most importantly, a strong and unyielding commitment towards the PhD program. Just to give you an instance, this year we made 4 offers to 4 of our top candidates, and we didn't need to make any more offers because all of them accepted. And we're pretty sure that our strong record as far as placement is concerned is going to continue. The reason we succeed is because we take really good students and we train them extremely rigorously. All our students go through extensive coursework in economics, econometrics, finance, as well as accounting. And we also have faculty who have essentially an open door policy, who are very committed and spend lots of time with our PhD students. I'd also like to talk a little bit about my research. I just want you to be aware that I'm just one of many people, and we have a tremendous breadth of research experience in our department. My research is broadly in 3 areas. I do research in accounting-based valuation, I do research in executive compensation, and I do research in earnings management. Some of my research spans these boundaries because I find that to be the most interesting. Within accounting-based valuation, I am considered to be one of the leading researchers in the area of implied cost of capital. Now, this is a growing field of research in both financial accounting as well as finance. The implied cost of capital is the cost of capital you can infer by looking at a firm's stock price and its expected future earnings or cash flows. This has become an extremely important task or extremely important construct that people are using simply because traditional methods of cost of capital such as beta and stuff have been shown to be extremely flawed. So much of my research focuses on trying to come up with better measures for implied cost of capital and trying to improve the way this is actually used in practice. In addition to this, I've also done some research on executive compensation, specifically on whether CEOs are being rewarded appropriately for growing their companies. I show in my research that CEOs are actually being rewarded for earnings growth, which actually destroys value for companies. So my research is generally published in the top accounting journals such as the Review of Accounting Studies, Accounting Review, Journal of Accounting Economics, etc. And what you will find if you look at our department is we are one of the most research productive departments across all accounting departments. The BYU's accounting department has a ranking of the world's best departments, and in the most recent year, we were ranked 2nd in the field of empirical financial accounting, which is the predominant field in accounting research. So if you're thinking of applying for a PhD program in accounting, I think you should really give Rotman a serious consideration. Thank you.